Hey everyone, welcome back to Show Me Creeks. Finally back at the creek. Nice, some trash over there. See if anything's in here. It's kind of chilly out still. Got some ice down there. Oh, there's something already. First cast. Creek chub. Nice. These guys are always pretty active when it's cold. Cool little fish. Oh. Let's toss this guy back here. Oh, slimy. I know there's a log that's right through here. That's one good thing, like in the winter time, if I'm not fishing, I'll go around to the spots I fish and kind of look at it, especially if the water's down. There's a log right here, and if you didn't already know that, you'd find out pretty quick. Oh, something bit it. This is actually the only place I've ever caught a warmouth, so I'd like to catch one of them again. I pulled up here, I got all excited. The rest of the creeks are up a lot. I was hoping this one wouldn't be. Kind of figured it wouldn't. It doesn't have a lot of water running into it like the rest of them. Oh, there's something. Another creek chub. Gonna be that kind of day. That's alright. There we go. Pretty. Let's toss him back there. It's just good to get back out and feel something on the end of the line, you know. Try right over here. Oh man, what was that? Might have been that log. Just using this little blue crawdad I made. Stick the hook through there, kind of bounce it around on the bottom. There we go. Oh. Another creek chub. Another little guy there. Kind of look like a trout, you know, got some dots on it, the colors. Really pretty though, and freezing cold right now. Jeez, it's like holding a frozen fish stick. I was gonna say, I got it, whatever it is. Oh yeah, best stick fisherman 2021. This little thing will catch anything. Crazy how it just barely hooked there. Couldn't just fall off when I'm trying to reel it, you know. That wind is getting cold. Might be getting on out of here sooner than I thought. Just wanted to get out and see if I can't get something here. Just feel the fight, you know. Oh, I was just getting ready to say, learn how to set the hook and all this. All right, I'm gonna gonna cast it around a couple more times and I'm out of here, guys. It is cold. Oh gosh. About lost that one. There we go. Well, let's just keep fishing it anyway. Paid off that time. There he goes. Alright, anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe if you did, and check out some other videos. Also, I got a .com up, showmecreeks.com. Check that out. Shirts, that little blue bait you just seen. I'm actually gonna go home and make some more. I got somebody just ordered some, so I might put how I make it on the end of this video. We'll see how that turns out. Thanks though. See ya. Alright, it's been about 5 minutes. Take this apart and clean it out. Just pull that plug out. I'll keep them for later. I'll use them again on something. Here we go. There they are. Yep. And just start all over again. Put it back together. Typically about 5 minutes, and 5-10 minutes maybe, you know, depending on how long you want to leave it in the mold. I'll throw it in that water just because I'm planning on using them here soon. And if I wasn't, I'd just hang them up or something probably. Let's give it a good stir. You might spill some on the side, but you're going to want to fill that up for sure, because as it cools it gets smaller, and if you don't, some of your baits won't be filled all the way. We just wait, like I say, 3-5 minutes, 10 if you want. And if you spill it somewhere, it's okay, it comes right up. As long as you don't get it in the carpet like this, which I have done, it ain't coming up.